Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, let me show you how to install React and how to run your first React application. For running React, we need to first download this Node.js, which is a tool we use to run JavaScript without a browser support. So I'm going to node.js.org downloads, and inside the downloads you can select the OS version which you are using. I'm using this Windows, so I will be clicking this Windows installer, and whatever the worst bit your OS is, I'm using this Windows 64-bit. I'll click this, so it will get download the Node.js installer. After installing the Node.js, it's just a basic installation like normal wizard. We use next and install. That's a normal wizard. And after installing this Node.js inside your local machine, just open the command prompt. Here I'm using this code, visual code. And if you're not having the visual code, you can just use the command prompt in Windows. I'm opening this terminal. You don't have to be in the C colon or whatever the drive. Just click inside whatever folder you are. Just click. We need to check whether Node has been installed correctly or not. For that, we need to check the Node version, Node-v. If I click Node-v, it will show me the Node version. And also there is something called npm, which is Node Package Manager. Basically, React is also a package in Node. So we need to check whether this Node Package Manager has been installed or not. So for that also we are checking the version of the npm. So it has also been installed. So now let me create a folder in my file explorer in my C drive. I'm clicking I'm selecting a folder React. Okay, now let me open this React folder inside in my code editor, which is Microsoft Visual Code. Open folder React. I'm opening this folder in my code editor. Okay, now you can see inside this React folder nothing is there. It's an empty folder. So here I open my terminal. I'm inside React, which is this particular folder. Now I need to install the React inside this particular folder. For that, npx create React app, which is the command for downloading and installing the React. I need to give an application name. I'm giving hello world. So npx create React app hello world. So I'm just clicking enter. So basically what this npx means is the execution of the npm command. You are executing a npm command, which is create React app, and we are giving the application name hello world. So what's going to happen is React this npm is going to create a folder called hello world. Inside this hello world, the React packages is going to be installed. That's what is happening here. So let us wait for it to complete. So guys, React has been installed inside this hello world folder now. You can see happy hacking. Okay, fine. So let me show you this folder structure. I'm going inside this React folder. Inside we are having this hello world. So here you can see all the folder structures. Let me open this here also. Yeah, you can see this node modules, which are all the default modules npm installed when it installs this React. These are all the packages, and inside we can see src. Here is where we have this our index file, our components, all these things we will be having inside this src. And here you can see this package of JSON. It contains all the information about our application name, version, dependencies. Dependencies is nothing but packages needed to run this application. Without this dependencies, or it will show some error. The application won't run in any platform. Here you can see the scripts. Scripts are nothing but commands. I will show you what exactly scripts is. So let me first run this React. It will have the page. It will show us the page if you run. So for running this React, first go inside this cd hello world. So I'm inside this hello world folder. So now I will call this script command, which is the start. npm start. Enter. So basically now React script start. This command is going to execute the executor, right? So yeah, it's starting the development server. if you look at this console, it will tell us in which port our application is running. Here you can see localhost port number 3000. So you can see local, in your local machine it's running in the port 3000. If you are using if you want to in the network, open this application network, here is the link, the same port number. So this is the default React home page, which is coming from this app component, which will be having here in this src. You can see this app.js. Basically the page which we are seeing is coming from this component only, app component. So this is how we need to I will walk to you about these components and all these things in the next videos. So as of now, this is how we need to install Node and React in our local machine. So thank you for watching this video.